Hey guys, it's D. Allen, and I'm with the Allen Turner Home Team, and I'd like to take a minute of your time and tell you how much we appreciate the fact that you're going to use our website, our valuable real estate tool, to certainly do your market updates because that's what you signed up for today, and maybe even do a little home searching. So give me just a minute of your time, and let me tell you how this system works. Okay? I'll move down here out of the way. I'm going to show you, this is where you just landed, I'm assuming, if you just signed up for our page. And here's your market report. You just scroll down here. Yours has probably got some information in here already. But if you'll scroll down here, gives you the number of active listings currently in Alpharetta. Now bear in mind that our system is updated throughout the day, but it comes from both of the multiple listing services. Comes from FMLS and Georgia MLS. So there's really not 1,146 listings in Alpharetta. There's probably about half that many, just because they're in here twice a lot of times, and we'll see that more in just a second. But anyway, this gives you some great information, gives you some more recent listings and the hot listings. And what's interesting about the hot listings, you'll see, is that they're all pretty nice homes. I don't know how many people are really looking to buy that $3.5 million home, but everybody likes to look at them. So anyway, those are the hot listings. This is what's going on. Gives you the average list price, days on market. What is that, about 2.5 months? So anyway, business is rocking along. Now, let's say you don't want to look at Alpharetta. You just signed into Alpharetta, and maybe you want to look in Johns Creek, which could be considered Alpharetta, or even Suwanee. All you have to do is type in Suwanee, and it'll give you a couple of options to choose: Old Suwanee, Suwanee Walk. You can get a little more specific, as you can see down here in specific neighborhoods if you'd like. But let's just search in Suwanee, and that'll pretty quickly give you a market report for Suwanee. Same type of data, but obviously different numbers, okay, different homes, so on and so forth. So that's pretty cool. Pretty quick. You can search anywhere that our listing services go, and that's most of Georgia, certainly all of North Georgia. You can also now, if you want to search, let's say you get to Suwanee and say, hey, the market looks pretty good. I'd like to look for homes in Suwanee. We can come right up here on this top bar, or upstairs, as I like to call it. Type in the same information. Type in Suwanee. It's going to give you, now you can look in the different neighborhoods again, of course. But let's just look right here. And it's going to take you to our search page, okay? Now this is kind of the general Suwanee search. Once again, it says there's 1,380 listings. That's not quite true. There's about half that. This is interesting. 477 prices have been reduced. Again, half of that, but still quite a few. If you want a more detailed search, see over here where it's search options. You can get in here, pick your style of home, year built, lots of different things. You can type in a keyword, golf course, riverfront, waterfront, that sort of thing, and then search it again. And of course, we're going to get the same information here. But anyway, so that's as easy as it is, folks. And if you want to go back to a free market report, then you click here, and it takes you right back where we were, so you can search a different market report. But anyway, those are just a few of the cool features of our website, and we look forward to you guys using us. If you need us, give us a call, 678-206-6041. It's D. Allen and Nick Turner, and we're here to help. Talk to you soon.